Hello, what's up? Mushy Airsoft. Today we are at Hard Target Airsoft down in South Wales. I'm on a bridge. Now I do have the KSG, but it is jamming. It really needs to go down to Sabre Airsoft. Shout out to him. As well as today, I'm actually just going pistol with a Glock 18. I also have an 1887. So it's not raining. Also, I fell over on this bridge earlier, which is not a fun way. And it is actually pretty cool. I'm getting a few kills with my pistol, and yeah, good day. Also, I'm not sure if you noticed, but it is not raining for once. No rain whatsoever. First game of this year with no rain. Oh. Yeah.
Hello again.
If you want, did you want to take my place? Rock, paper, scissors?
Huh?
Rock, paper, scissors. If I lose, I die, you respawn.
Okay, sound. So I respawn. Okay.
Worth a try though. To be fair, if you won, you probably would have got them.
No, they probably would have just gone, fuck off.
They weren't even watching. You could have shot them. You okay? I didn't hear you too high, did you? Oh, cool. Good.
You're lucky he wasn't blow you up.
You know what? If he did shoot, I would have just lobbed it down there. Head.
I would do it now quickly while you settle it. If you get hit,
I'm good. Okay. Slippery. Yep. Being quick. Maybe a little too quick.
There's a sniper in the building up there.
Yeah, I recommend going that way. There's quite a few of them down there.
Oh, that one is not.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's KSG.
Is it like a shotgun?
It's pumped action, but it's jamming. Yeah? Yeah. I need to refill some shells anyways. The problem with shotguns is I run out of ammo fast. Oh, I'm alright though. Introducing the Limp Biscuit. Chocolate starfish. The KSG, KEL-TEC.
Call us stand by, yeah?
Like John Wick and the more Black Ops 2, but got a little tracer unit for it too.
nice. So you see where it's going.
Yeah, sometimes you can see a little glow.
Yeah.
But that's not normal.
Yeah, you cocked it.
This is new, this never happened before.
Another one.
Yeah, Sabre needs to see this. Oh, that's split. Oh my god, that's split.
Have you lost the shotgun shell?
Might have. It's either me or my mate. What I look like. Oh yes, these are more pricier. Happy I got that. Thanks.
Hello, drone. How are you, drone?
Yeah, I was going to just run and get shot for myself.
Hey! Hey! Push. Whoa, that was a... I'm out. Tower! Why in the tower? Head! Head! Parkour. This is actually quite comfortable. Ow. This one, the size of this. Yeah. Nice.
All over there they are. Coming over there, yeah?
Head!
One down again.
Yeah, baby. Hello.
One more, still on the last side. On the right.
Oh.